What type of clothes should be put in a washing machine bag?
Hello, everyone. Today we're discussing a simple yet important topic that often gets overlooked when it comes to taking care of our clothes. What type of clothes should be put in a washing machine bag? You might not realize it, but using a washing machine bag correctly can greatly extend the lifespan of your clothes and help maintain their quality.
Why use a washing machine bag?
Before diving into what goes in a washing machine bag, let's quickly understand why we need it. A washing machine bag, also known as a laundry bag or a mesh bag, is a tool designed to protect delicate clothes during the washing cycle. It acts as a physical barrier preventing harsh interaction between clothes, therefore reducing the risk of snagging, stretching, or tangling. Using a washing machine bag is particularly beneficial for delicate materials, intricate items, and clothes with attachments.
What types of clothes should you put in a washing machine bag?
Now that we understand why we need it, let's explore the types of clothes that should be put in a washing machine bag. 1. Delicate fabrics. Any clothing made from delicate materials such as silk, lace, cashmere, or any fine knits should be washed in a washing machine bag. These fabrics can easily get damaged during the washing process, so keeping them in a bag helps maintain their structure and appearance. 2. Undergarments. Bras and other lingerie often have hooks and wires that can get caught on other clothes or the washing machine drum, causing them to distort or even break. To avoid this, place them in a washing machine bag. 3. Clothes with attachments. If your clothes have any kind of attachments like beading, sequins, or decorative buttons, you should definitely put them in a washing machine bag. The bag will prevent these elements from getting snagged or pulled off. 4. Small items. Small items like socks and handkerchiefs can get lost in the washing machine. By keeping them in a bag, you can keep them all together. 5. Clothing with zippers or Velcro. These fastenings can damage other clothes when left loose in the wash. Using a bag helps to contain the damage. And there you have it. Using a washing machine bag is a simple and efficient way to prolong the life of your clothes. Remember, when in doubt, use a washing machine bag. It's better to take an extra moment to bag a garment than to risk ruining it and other clothes in the wash. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this video has been helpful.